Переможем! 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 Переможем!
We had our march from the Olympic Museum till the International Olympic Committee because we want to show our disagreement with what is happening to Belarusian sportsmen and sportswomen.
The International Olympic Committee stands for certain values, and these values are written down in their Olympic Charter. And right now, what's happening to the athletes in Belarus is a violation of their own rules. And so what you're asking for is really that the IOC only follows its own rules and stands for these athletes and stands for their rights, stands for their safety, and make sure that they don't face discrimination based simply on their political views. And we know right now that being targeted because you're supporting a protest and because you're supporting your fellow countrymen and women who are being targeted and beaten because they're exercising their right to freedom of expression and their right to freedom of association, that's not just a violation of the Olympic Charter, it's a violation of international human rights law. And these standards and norms apply to everybody. They apply to every individual, every country, and every corporation and organ of society, and the IOC is one of those. So when you have a situation where the body that is under the authority of the International Olympic Committee is being used as a weapon to silence dissent and to silence freedom of expression, we have a major problem. And that's what we're saying. It's time to address this problem.